Welcome to Let's Talk Cloud Season 2. It's great to have you with us again, Vikas. Can you brief our followers on what is benefits of containerization?
Sure, Akshay. Containerization is a process to package software, operating system, files, and libraries together, and it can be used to run on any hardware.
So, what are the benefits of containerization and automation, and why should organization consider partnering with Zensar?
Good question. Containerization automation helps enterprises to migrate their legacy workload to the cloud and modernize them. So it happens in one step. So if you use the containerization automation, it will migrate the application to the cloud as well as modernize them. The containerization brings portability, flexibility, reliability, and scalability into the cloud. By partnering with Zensar, enterprises will get innovative solutions, proven methodology, proven experience for a seamless cloud migration experience.